Hi, to restart your POCO F6 without using the power button, you would need to go in the settings first, and here search for the additional settings tab. Now, after that, go into the accessibility and here enable the accessibility menu shortcut just by tapping on the switcher. Here you can see some on-screen instructions about this feature. Allow it, and now you can see this orange button on your display, which is a floating button which you can drag anywhere across the screen. So now you just need to tap it, and here is the menu of features. If you would like to restart the phone, here you would see this power button which you need to tap and select this option to reboot by swiping down. And now your phone will turn off, and just in a couple of seconds it will turn on again. You will see the POCO logo appears on the screen, and after that you'll be able to use your phone as you would normally do. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.